So in this video, I'll show you on how to update YouTube apps in your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you found this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the home page on your Google Smart TV and make sure you simply navigate to settings icon right here. On getting to setting icon right here, make sure you click on OK. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to apps. Click on apps. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down and make sure you click on see all apps. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down and go to show systems app. Click on that. Then all system apps is going to display right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google Play Store right here. Click on OK. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on open. Then it's going to take you right here. The next thing you want to do here is to make sure you search for YouTube. So for you to do that, simply navigate to the home tab right here and make sure you navigate to search. Then under the search right here, come to the search right here and type in YouTube. Now we are here. So if you have any, so it's going to take you to YouTube for Android TV right here. Now, as you can see right here, I do not have any update at the moment of making this video. That is why it shows open right here. But if there is any update, this is where you need to click on update and your YouTube app is going to update and it's going to fix a lot of YouTube issues on your Google Smart TV. After a successful update from here, next thing you need to do is to click on open. Once you click on open, your YouTube is going to connect and you enjoy much more lot of free updates as far as YouTube app in your Google Smart TV is concerned. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.